It's a 2018 Audi Q7. It's equally adept at the everyday luxury you'd expect, along with the spirit you crave. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, power tilting steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and heated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com explains Audi has managed a high-tech presentation without a sacrifice in comfort or warmth. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
We're proud to be a 10-time winner of Audi's prestigious Magna Award. We are conveniently located at 170 Main Dunstable Road in Nashua, New Hampshire, off Route 3 at Exit 5.